Good day everyone. So I will start with our fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram is basically a summary to describe the low profitability and poor management system of SMC. Basically, we have categorized into four, which is revenue, inventory, personnel, and expenditure. For revenue, the main problem is inadequate patient record and also too many patients. While for inventory, the record reorder level are not set, and no recording of medicine expired date. For personnel, the time card machine not working well, multiple method of time card recording, and also the application of living using paper form. Lastly, in expenditure, the patient claim insurance and incorrect payment and also tax error is the problem that due to the low profitability and poor management of SMC.
For the project scope, we now have to create a new computerized system to replace the currently manual system. In order to do that, we will visit another clinic to see how can we apply the system, and we will focus in the inventory scope. Next, project objective. We will apply computerized system in the clinic operation, reduce the wastage of medicine, create proper recording procedure for inventories, and solve the heavy workload issue of doctor and staff. Next, project constraint. The new computerized system must able be well practiced by all the staff. All the subsystems in the new system must be able to link with each other. Budget must not exceed 17,000 and the new system must able to disclose all the useful information to all the parties. Next, the step to overcome weaknesses. Our weaknesses is our reorder level not set, so we now suggest that we will use the EOQ, that is economic order quantity, to determine what is the quantity optimum to order. Next, we have no recording for expiry date of medicine, and the suggestion given is we have an inventory card to record the expiry date of medicine. Next, what must do, should do, and won't do. So must do is we have to have a long-term planning to achieve our target. Next, should do, we have a smart analysis and a computerized system to record all of our transactions. Won't do is appropriate company asset by using the computerized system.
Fact and finding. First is conduct interview. The interview session is on 30 October 2018, Tuesday, 10 AM to 11 AM at Polyclinic Dr. Azhar and Nakarakat. This is our group members that go for interview, and we interview Dr. Imran Mehmet Yassin and other 4 staff. Objective is to come up with the idea on improving the system of SMC clinic, to look through the problem in SMC clinic and observe the readiness and feasibility of the new system. Agenda: explain the objective of visiting the polyclinic and introduce the project background. We take 5 minutes. Interview question and answer. How to order? The staff leader will check and update the name, type and quantity they have in the store and to order to doctor, and the order will create monthly. Where to order? At National Healthcare, there is the supply or the center of Polyclinic Dr. Azhar, who will order one of the resident doctor that handle the stock. Then, who will keep and handle the medicine? Staff leader will monitor and conduct all the stock in the store, but all staff can access the medicine store. Where to keep and protect the medicine? Keep in the store and the door will lock. The display daily use and sell are kept in the rack with minimum quantity. How medicines taken? By their name and type, because some cannot put together. The polyclinic give medicine without doctor permission. All medicine will give doctor permission before give to patient. How to manage the medicine already expired? All the staff will check the inventory card. All expired medicine will keep together and return to center for dispose. Who will in charge the order and record inventory? All staff, but before that, all stock will put in the store and keep in the good condition and record in the inventory card manually.
The polyclinics have 3 resident doctors and 4 clinic staff. As there are 3 branches of polyclinic in Changlun, so the doctors are taking their turns and rotate their schedules to be on duty. And there will be 1 doctor in each of the polyclinics at one time. The clinic staff are clearly know all the procedures and the important informations of the patients from the stage of registrations until the stage of the payment. We have observed the operation in polyclinics. We think that the operation in polyclinics are too open as all the staff know all the important informations of the patients from the stage of registrations until the stage of the payments by the patients for the consultation of the doctors and the medicines. Second, we think that the store that keep the medicines allow all the staff to go in and out without any permissions might causing a problems as the staff might commit a fraud at taking away the medicines. The clinic staff also record the in and out of the inventory manually. For the Gantt chart, you may see it is the format, and we are used up 7 days in phase 1 plannings, 15 days in phase 2 analysis and presentations, 28 days in phase 3 design, and 14 days in phase 4 implementations. And this is our Gantt chart. You may take a look at it. For the documentation review, we have reviewed a few of the documents in polyclinics, such as delivery orders, purchase invoice, and inventory card. This is the format of the delivery orders in polyclinics, and the format of purchase invoice as well. And lastly, the format of inventory cards of polyclinic.
So here we will make the comparison between the current system and the proposed system. The management team of SML Clinic decided to improve the current system, but before that, they must have a long-term planning for their business. The management team of the clinic should have a new system so that he will be able to solve current inventory problems such as reorder level not set and no expiry date of the inventory. The system can be done in anywhere and it can overcome the waste and storage problem of inventory in SML Clinic. There is no any system in SML Clinic and the system should be done before the commence of the business operation. There are few indicators we use to evaluate the feasibility. In operational feasibility, the management will support the new proposed system because it saves costs and reduces the workload, and the system does not conflict with the new old culture of the company. Besides, in technical feasibility, the company need to hire a technical expertise to develop the system and it will be able to handle the future growth of the company. Next, in economic feasibility, it does bring some cost and benefit in terms of intangible and tangible to the company. Last but not least, in schedule feasibility, a timetable is established to complete the improvement of system and the backup of data is necessary to avoid any losses of data.
This is a project estimate cost, which include the delivery cost and the operational cost. Then the total cost for this project is 16,600. Next is a project estimate benefit in the yearly basis. Benefit include intangible and the tangible benefit. Then for the total benefit is 7,300 for in year. For the net present value, benefit minus the cost, we get the net present value positive, means that we can invest the project. Then for the project break even is 2.88 years. Next is the draft of the e-clinic management system. This one is login page. Then this one is the e-clinic management dashboard. This one is for record the new medicine details, and then to check the medicine details, we can access in inventory detail. This one for checking the inventory balance.